The enforcement wing of the Khadc Hill Autonomous District Council Khadc today carried out checking of trading and labour licences in Laitumkhrah area. While speaking to the reporters after the inspection, Executive Member in Charge Taxation Fantan J. Lakadong, who is also the local MDC, said that the exercise will not be restricted only in Laitumkhrah or Malki area. He added that around 80% of non-tribal traders in Laitumkhrah area are doing their businesses legally as they possess their valid trading licenses issued by the council. Lakadong further informed that the drive to check labour licenses is underway as there have been complaints of non-locals working as labourers sans a labour licence.
Mabun sini yo injon mabun bukan di punya di business di dalam trading license di benar diwan benda dan ke professional tax kepada banhat tadi ka dulu hibah siu tadi ka dulu hibah biaya tenti legal corruption dekat kajing yo jumut nak national rule ke bastu dan company check dia berapa persen nak kinong di jingdi tapi tak di hibah ya dalam tiga day. Mabun dan cek di bidang license joki, di level license joki, ya sih pun makin cepat bagi professional tax tiap siu.